What's up, guys? It's Little Fishers back with another vlog today. And last video we did got over 8,000 views. I'm pretty sure it might be at 8,000, but that's amazing. We're so close to getting monetized right now. So if you guys could just like and subscribe, that'd be amazing. And down at that little button that's in this corner right here, you can click that to subscribe to our channel. But back to the video. In this video, we're going to be paddle boating in this river that is stocked with any kind of fish you can think of that's freshwater. And this thing is very great. It can fit over, I'd say, 4 to 3 people. It's great stability, 10 inches. Wait, no, I think this is 10 feet. I don't know why I said inches. Yeah, it's 10 feet. We've been trying to keep this thing cool because of how hot it is out here. So I'm just gonna water this thing down real quick. This paddle gets super hot because of anything that's black attracts sun. Yeah. All right, there we go. We used this thing yesterday and we tested it out, and here's the video of what we caught. It's actually like a 3-pounder. It's really nice. And we might go back to that pond and check that one out. What's up, you guys? Switch your plans. We're at a pond right now, and we're gonna be sight fishing because it's so clear. Hold up, wait. A bass might eat my worm right now. It's just sitting right there. It's my pole. Can you guys see that bass right there? Let me zoom in. There he is. Pretty massive. All right, y'all. We're on the pond. Now we're gonna start sight fishing. There's some pretty big bass right beneath us. All right, let's go. There's so many bluegill in this pond. It is insane. This pond is like crystal clear right now. It's insane. Yeah, only by the shore. Not so much over here though. Got one. Oh my gosh. Yo. Woo! Nice little one. Ooh, bring him in, bring him in. Gotta untangle my thing. Alrighty. Yeah. Alright, I fixed it. The bass came off before we could show you guys a good video of him. But it's okay, he's a little dink, so it wasn't much. All right, here we go. Oh, you guys see that? This is cool. All these bluegill going for my bait. Let's see if I can get one out here. My pole's messed up right now. All right. Can you watch where you're putting your pole? Honestly, kind of difficult to fish like this, but not really. Hopefully we can catch multiple bass today. We already caught one, and that was like our first cast.
You gotta wait. Look at these many bass.
In my bag, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Here we go. You guys can see pretty well. That net they wouldn't have fit in the net. All right, you guys, my phone was out of storage and I didn't know it stopped recording, and I didn't get 2 bass that we caught on camera. Maybe I got one of them, but I definitely didn't get the other, which was like a 4-pounder. It's pretty bad. But back to fishing now, so hopefully we can catch some to show you guys. I'm scared to put my feet in the water. These fish have been biting anything that touches the water. Kaboom! I'm gonna sit like that. Put the camera up more. Sit like this. Oh, my legs. Alright, I'm gonna sit over here so you guys can see. Here we go. I think you guys can see it now. There's so much good stuff that I didn't get on camera. There you go. Pass. Oh my god, he's huge. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's huge bass everywhere. Oh my god. Toss it down. I saw five. No, get the camera ready. Oh shit. Hold on. Stop. Can you fix the camera? Yo, I saw like 70 bass. Oh my god. Somebody stocked this. Wait, this thing's like not. Oh my god. I know. Yo, he's about to get one. Alright, I fixed your camera. Let's go. Alright, I need a paddle too. Actually, I'm gonna put the bag on shore. Alright, we just freed up.
Dude, let's go. This pond's actually stocked with like 7 bass. Big bass too. And like 1,000 baby bass.
Can they see well?
Yeah, I think.
Bang. Put it on right here. Right here. They're looking at it. Guys, these are like huge bass. Oh my god. Oh, no, he went for it. Dang it. Jeez. Some baby ones.
Hopefully they can see.
Oh my god. Yo. Alright, turn the camera by me. Really quick. Alright guys, we didn't get another bass on camera because they just stopped recording. But we have a new tactic. We're gonna be fishing with crawfish. They haven't been biting that much live bait. I mean, not live bait. The Cincos. So we're gonna switch to a different thing. We just found out this pond is stocked with blue crawfish. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Fully bright blue. Look at this. Any rock you flip, there's crawfish everywhere. They stocked this pond with over like 100,000 crawfish.
Yeah, we cannot use this now.
I'm definitely
Right where you're filming.
filming. Let's go. All right, show them what you got on.
All right, guys. We put on some crawfish, live bait. Am I gonna catch? Ooh, y'all see that right there? Bass. I don't think y'all can see that, but there's the bass right there.
All right, where's that guy? Where'd that guy go?
I don't know, he's right there. Bang.
All right, stop back on.
Leave the bag.
Let's go, y'all. Make sure it's filming. It's filming, right?
Yep.
Check it like every minute.
I'm gonna push us off. Hey. Bang. Hopefully we can catch stuff.
Don't eat these crawfish. Oh, I got one.
Bang. Oh my god. Fuck, what the hell?
It's recording, right?
Yeah. Dude, there's some massive ass bass. Getting bit right now. Thank you.
The bluegill are biting. What am I looking at,
I don't want the bluegill.
Alright guys, I'm gonna leave my pole here while I catch for some smaller bait. Alright, trying to catch some of these guys. Anything works, to be honest. Ooh, blue crawfish. Oh my god, y'all see that too, right? I gotta make a video like 100% like targeted towards these guys. Perfect bait. I can, bro. I'm gonna reel this guy in. Why is this so hard to reel? I don't know what's happening. Oh, that's why.
So blue.
I know. There's bright blue crawfish in here.
No, it was like it's really big too.
Let's see. No bass?
Really big.
All right, let's throw this guy back out. See you later, dude. It's time for the real guy. This is what's gonna catch us all of our fish. That's not even the bluest.
They're like $20.
I'll show you a picture of the one we caught. It's bright blue, its whole body.
No, they're like $20.
Yeah, but they don't really work that well.
They're like $20.
All right, Carter, hop back on. Let's go.
Blue crawfish are like $20.
Guys, we have a bass on right here. Guys, we got a bass on right now.
Oh my god, is he big?
Oh my god. Oh! Y'all seeing this right now?
Bring him on.
Yeah! Let's go! What?
No, he didn't.
Oh my god, let's go!
Fuck.
Let me put some line out.
Yeah, let's go!
I just seen that coming. Oh, that's good.
He's a blue crayfish in his mouth.
Actually?
Look at it in his mouth.
No, he doesn't.
No, look. See that? Look at his claw.
Oh,
See
yeah,
that?
dang.
Yo. Guys, look at
Get a
this.
close-up video on that.
Go to
Good way
shore.
to end the video.
Yeah. I need pliers.
We need to bring him to shore.
Yeah. Come on. What a biggie. I don't want to kill him though, so I go to shore. They go back. It's like in his mouth. I can't get it.
Yo, the bubbles are under us.
But guys, look at this crab. Great. Oh yeah. Massive bass.
It looks huge in the water.
Yeah. Maybe like a 2-pounder or 3-pounder.
2. 1 maybe.
Nah,
I think 1.5.
I think like 2.
I will release him.
I don't want to kill him, but you still have the hook in his mouth. Come on, don't die, girl. Don't die.
Get back close.
Come
Hold
on.
my pole. You gotta hold my pole. Don't let it get. Alright, speed that one back in. Can't let this guy get gutted.
Don't let him die. We
Gotta
don't.
make him survive the gut.
Come on.
Go.
Where are the pliers? Hey.
Come here.
Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. I'll see y'all next time.